So for exam 2, we're to show the side lengths of A, B, and C with formulas in terms of n. So I start off by making our square that shows the areas of b squared and c squared. Now we have c that is 5 units longer than side b. So I made the square knowing that the c squared is going to be 5 units longer than b squared. So we have b and then 5 and then b and 5, and all this is c, all this is c. So 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times b is 5b, and we get two separate portions of 5b, and we get our separate portion of b squared. So as this simplified down gives us 10b plus 25, and all this equals a squared. Now to find our formula for b, we're going to take a squared minus 25 over 10. Now I plug this into a table showing a, b, and c making a Pythagorean triple using this formula with n equaling 1, 2, and 3. 15 is the first term that works using this formula. Now to find all this in terms of n, through guess and check, I found that a was equal to 10n plus 5. Now that is our formula for a in terms of n. Now we had to plug this into our given b formula, which was again a squared minus 25 over 10. So we plug in 10n plus 5 squared minus 25 over 10, which I FOILed out at 10n plus 5 times 10n plus 5. Now you can see my work. I got 100n squared plus 100n plus 25. Then I plugged this into the formula, and it was 100n squared plus 100n plus 25 minus 25 over 10, giving us 10n squared plus 10n, which is our formula for b in terms of n. Then, again, c is 5 units longer than b, so in terms of n, the formula for c is 10n squared plus 10n plus 5. So we were asked to find Pythagorean triples for n as 1, n as 5, and n as 10. So I showed 2 and 3 just to reiterate the table from before. So for the Pythagorean triples of 1, Pythagorean triple of 1, it's 15, 20, 25. For 5, 55, 300, 305. For 10, 105, 1100, and 1105. Part 2 of exam 2, we were to prove the blob Pythagorean theorem, showing the diameters of the circles that are equal to the side lengths of a Pythagorean triple given from n equals 5. So side length A is 55, side length B is 300, and side length C is 305. Now I show this. These circles are not a scale representation, but it will do. So A, 55 units, B, 300 units, C, 305 units. These are just the diameters. Now, in order to prove the Pythagorean, or the blob Pythagorean theorem, I'm going to find the area of each circle, add up the areas of A and B, and it will equal C, and that will be able to prove it. So the radius of 55 units, because the area formula is pi r squared. So we cannot use our diameter, we split it in half to find the radius. 55 divided by 2 is 27.5. So we take pi times 27.5 squared. This gives us 2,375.829444. And we add this to the area of the B blob, which is 70,685.83471. And this, then we have our C blob, which is 73,061.66415. Now the area of the A blob plus the area of the B blob is equal to the area of the C blob, which proves that the blob Pythagorean theorem works on this problem. And that is my answer for exam 2.